I'm so excited to introduce the new Dermalogica Pro-Collagen Bank Serum. Join me now as we take a look at the incredible science behind the manufacturing process.
In today's crowded skincare landscape, where new products appear almost daily, not every formula begins with the same intention. Some are built around trends, others promise instant results, but a few start with a far more fundamental question. What does skin truly need to remain healthy over time? For Dermalogica, the journey of Pro-Collagen Banking Serum begins not with beauty claims, but with skin science. Dermalogica's researchers understand an unavoidable biological truth. From the mid-20s onward, the skin's natural collagen production gradually declines. Year by year, the structural framework that keeps skin firm and resilient weakens, revealing visible signs of aging. Instead of simply masking these changes, Dermalogica asks a deeper question. What if collagen loss could be anticipated rather than repaired after it happens? This question leads to the concept of pro-collagen banking. Rather than depositing collagen on the surface of the skin, this approach focuses on supporting the skin's own ability to maintain collagen over time. It is a preventative strategy designed to help the skin prepare for the future before visible aging takes hold. In essence, the skin is trained to protect its structural strength long before it begins to fade. Inside Dermalogica's laboratories, dermatologists and skin scientists study the skin at a cellular level. They examine how the skin barrier functions, how cells communicate, and how external stressors such as pollution and oxidative damage accelerate aging. Every test, every data point serves a single purpose: understanding how to support collagen integrity in a way that respects the skin's natural biology. At the heart of this research lies Dermalogica's core philosophy: skin health comes first. This principle guides every decision in the development process. Ingredients known to cause irritation, even if they offer short-term cosmetic benefits, are excluded. The goal is not immediate transformation, but long-term resilience. For Dermalogica, healthier skin in 10 years matters more than a temporary improvement in texture or tone today. As the scientific framework becomes clearer, the vision for Pro-Collagen Banking Serum begins to take shape. It is no longer just an idea, but a targeted solution grounded in biology, prevention, and respect for the skin's natural systems. Yet, science alone is not enough. A concept, no matter how advanced, must be translated into something real, something that can safely touch the skin and deliver consistent results. And that raises the next critical question. Once the science defines the goal, how does Dermalogica choose the precise ingredients capable of bringing this vision to life? The answer lies in the next stage of the journey. Once the scientific direction is clearly defined, the creation of Pro-Collagen Banking Serum enters a phase where precision becomes everything. Ingredient selection. In advanced skincare, ingredients are never chosen at random. For Dermalogica, every component must earn its place through evidence, safety, and long-term compatibility with the skin. The process begins by identifying active ingredients known to support collagen-related pathways within the skin. Peptides, bioactive extracts, and skin-identical molecules are shortlisted based on their ability to communicate with skin cells and encourage structural resilience. But promising data alone is not enough. Many candidates are eliminated early, unable to meet Dermalogica's strict performance and safety benchmarks. Each ingredient is evaluated for 3 essential criteria. First, biological effectiveness. Can it demonstrate measurable impact at the cellular level? Second, stability. Can it remain active over time without degrading? And third, skin tolerance. Can it deliver benefits without compromising even the most sensitive skin types? Only ingredients that satisfy all 3 conditions move forward. Beyond performance, Dermalogica places strong emphasis on transparency and responsibility. The sourcing of each ingredient is carefully traced, from its origin to its method of extraction. Raw materials are assessed not only for purity, but also for environmental impact and ethical production practices. Ingredients that fail to align with these values, regardless of their popularity or cost efficiency, are excluded from the formula. Inside the testing labs, approved ingredients undergo rigorous verification. Their molecular structures are examined for consistency. Purity levels are measured to ensure the absence of contaminants, Irritation potential is assessed using advanced skin models designed to reflect real-world conditions. These steps help guarantee that each ingredient performs predictably, safely, and harmoniously within the final formula. One defining characteristic of Dermalogica's approach is restraint. Rather than building formulas with an excessive number of actives, the focus remains on balance. Too many powerful ingredients can overwhelm the skin or interfere with one another's function. Instead, Dermalogica prioritizes synergy, selecting ingredients that enhance each other's effectiveness while maintaining the skin's natural equilibrium. As the ingredient list becomes refined, the vision of Pro-Collagen Banking Serum grows more tangible. Each selected component represents a deliberate decision, guided by science rather than marketing appeal. Yet, even the most carefully chosen ingredients cannot work alone. The next challenge lies ahead. How can these ingredients be combined into a stable, high-performance formula that delivers consistent results from the laboratory to real skin, day after day? That answer emerges in the next stage, where formulation science transforms individual ingredients into a unified system. With the ingredients carefully selected, the development of Pro-Collagen Banking Serum enters one of its most technically demanding stages: formulation. This is where individual components must work together as a single system. For Dermalogica, formulation is not simply mixing ingredients. It is a process of precision engineering at a microscopic level. Scientists begin by determining the exact concentration of each active ingredient. Even slight variations can alter how the skin responds or how effectively an ingredient performs. Peptides must remain intact, bioactive compounds must stay stable, and the overall texture must allow for optimal absorption. Every decision is guided by data, repeated testing, and an in-depth understanding of skin physiology. Stability is a critical focus at this stage. Active ingredients can degrade when exposed to light, heat, or oxygen, losing their effectiveness long before the product reaches the skin. To prevent this, the serum undergoes extensive stability testing under controlled conditions that simulate real-world storage and use. Formulas are evaluated over time to ensure that potency, texture, and safety remain consistent from the first application to the last. Absorption and bioavailability are equally important. A formula may contain powerful actives, but if they cannot penetrate the skin efficiently, their benefits remain limited. Dermalogica tests how the serum interacts with the skin barrier, measuring how quickly and effectively key ingredients reach their target layers. The goal is to support the skin's natural processes without disrupting its balance. Clinical testing plays a vital role in validating the formulation. The serum is evaluated on human skin under dermatologist supervision to assess tolerance, performance, and visible results. These tests are conducted without animal testing, reflecting Dermalogica's commitment to ethical research practices. Feedback from real skin helps refine the formula, ensuring it performs consistently across different skin types and conditions. Throughout this phase, the formula evolves through multiple iterations. Adjustments are made, tests are repeated, and results are carefully reviewed. What emerges is not a rushed product, but a meticulously crafted serum designed to support long-term skin health. Pro-Collagen Banking Serum becomes more than a concept. It becomes a scientifically validated solution. Yet, perfection in the lab does not guarantee success on a larger scale. A formula that performs flawlessly in small batches must prove it can maintain the same quality when produced in thousands of units. So the question remains, how does Dermalogica ensure that this carefully perfected formula retains its integrity when it enters full-scale production? The answer lies in the next stage of the journey. Once the formula of Pro-Collagen Banking Serum has been perfected in the laboratory, it enters a new environment: full-scale manufacturing. This stage demands a different kind of precision, where consistency and control are just as critical as innovation. For Dermalogica, production is an extension of science, governed by strict standards designed to protect both performance and skin safety. Manufacturing takes place in controlled facilities where temperature, humidity, and hygiene are carefully monitored. Even minor fluctuations can affect the stability of sensitive active ingredients. To prevent this, each step of the process is standardized and documented, ensuring that every batch is produced under identical conditions. This level of control allows the serum to retain the same quality whether it is the first bottle or the 1,000th. As the serum moves through the production line, it is continuously tested. Samples are taken to verify texture, viscosity, pH balance, and microbial safety. Advanced quality control systems track each batch, making it possible to trace every product back to its raw materials and formulation data. Any deviation, no matter how small, triggers immediate review and correction. Packaging plays a crucial role in preserving the integrity of the formula. Pro-Collagen banking serum is housed in packaging designed to shield the product from light and air, two factors that can compromise active ingredients over time. This protective design ensures that the serum maintains its potency throughout its shelf life, delivering consistent results with every application. Before leaving the facility, each batch undergoes final inspection. Only products that meet Dermalogica's exacting standards are approved for distribution. This final checkpoint reflects the brand's commitment to delivering professional-grade skincare, where safety and performance are never compromised for speed or volume. At this point, the serum is ready, but its journey is far from over. Manufacturing ensures quality, but true success can only be measured when the product reaches real skin in real environments and delivers visible, lasting results. So what happens next when Pro-Collagen banking serum leaves the factory and enters the hands of skincare professionals and consumers around the world? After months of research, testing, and precision manufacturing, Pro-Collagen banking serum reaches its final destination, real skin. This is where science leaves the laboratory and enters everyday life. For Dermalogica, the true measure of success is not found in data alone, but in how skin responds over time. The serum is introduced through professional channels where trained skin therapists and dermatology professionals guide its use. Application is not random, it is personalized. Skin type, condition, and long-term goals are carefully assessed to ensure the formula works in harmony with each individual's skin biology. This professional approach reflects Dermalogica's belief that healthy skin is built through understanding, not shortcuts. As the serum is applied, its role extends beyond immediate surface effects. Day after day, the formula supports the skin's natural processes, helping to maintain collagen integrity before visible aging accelerates. Rather than delivering dramatic overnight changes, Pro-Collagen banking serum works quietly and consistently, reinforcing the skin's structural resilience over time. Clinical observations and user feedback begin to tell the story. Skin appears firmer, texture becomes more refined, fine lines develop more slowly. These results are not sudden transformations, but gradual improvements that reflect a deeper biological shift. The concept of banking collagen becomes tangible, each application contributing to a reserve of skin strength for the future. What makes this approach distinctive is its long-term perspective. In a market driven by instant gratification, Dermalogica chooses patience. The serum is designed not just for today's skin, but for the skin years from now. It is an investment in resilience, supporting the idea that prevention is as powerful as correction. As Pro-Collagen banking serum becomes part of daily routines, its impact extends beyond individual users. It represents a broader shift in skincare philosophy, one that values preparation over repair and health over illusion. The product becomes a reminder that the most meaningful changes often happen beneath the surface. And this brings us to the final question, one that reaches beyond the bottle itself. If collagen can be supported, protected, and preserved starting today, what could your skin look like 10 years from now? The answer, as Dermalogica suggests, is already being built one application at a time.